Hello everyone. Sometimes, I just want to play. I don't care if I'm making a hot mess or what the situation is. So I thought I'd play with these little flowers, and actually, let's see, we could use this purple here. This is just deep purple from the Meiliang palette. And I'm actually going to paint with just water. Got a little purple in there. That's the importance of, cleaning your water. And maybe one here, a petal. I'll do those first. And then I'll go in there with my paint. And just adding some color in there. So this is a great practice for if you're trying to get used to that wet on wet. I think it's a lot of fun. Then I might go in there with just a little bit more color. So just play with how it behaves. I've got not really puddling water, but definitely more than I might use. Something like that. And then let's go into the bottom here and create a couple more petals. Just clear water. And if like me right now, it's kind of like, what even is that? That's okay. Keep hanging in there. Let's add a little bit more of another color, another purple. And just really kind of playing here. I'm going directly in from my palette. I can also lift. That always makes a really soft line, so I'm wetting my brush and just kind of lifting up some of that color, and look at how soft it makes it. I do feel like I want to go into the center a bit, but I'm going to create some dark little sepals and things in there, so I'm not going to get too carried away with that. There we go. So again, stick with your paintings, even if it's like, oh, this is not going anywhere. I'm not liking this. Stick with it. Keep lifting. Keep playing. I don't like these hard lines, so I'm just going to go in with a damp brush and lift some of those out. Like that. I don't mind those hard lines. Matter of fact, I feel like I might even want one here and there, like that. That's a lot of contrast, which I like. Just dabbing it in. And lift a little, lift a little. So when I lift with that dry brush, it tends to kind of soften all the lines. I'm even going to leave that how it is. Now let me do this. I'm just going to dry this a bit. It's just with my heat gun. I really want the center dried. And now I'll just go in. Let's paint that center kind of a gold yellow, kind of an orangey gold yellow. So I'm just going to go in there. You know what? Actually, I'm not even going to do that because we'll have to wait for it to dry. So I'm going to take the tip of my brush, go into my brown here. Let me get some brown here that you can see. And I'm just going to put my brush in there. Get a little more brown. There we go. I actually could do the tip of my brush, and I'm just gonna go around now that it's dry. And the reason I wanted to show you this is because sometimes it feels like, oh, this one is a no-go, not liking it. But if you just stick with it, it can start coming around. So stick with those flowers. And if you just really don't like it, then that gives you even more permission to play. So now let's do a couple washy green leaves around it. So I've got my brush. Let's just, there we go. Just add in some leaves here and there. Notice I'm using different values, meaning dark and light. But look at this. This was such a simple little nothing flower, and if I just stuck with it, it got better and better. I'm just kind of smushing, I don't know what other word you could use, my brush. Let's see, is there anything else we could add in there? I don't think so. I think I rather like this. So, you know, again, my message here, just stick with your paintings, play with them, lift, do all kinds of fun things like that. And, you know, most of all, have fun. Let's try a little bud really quick here, by the way. So, just getting it wet. As you can see, my water needs to be changed because it's turning green. And then let's, because I used green, and then go in there again, wet and wet. Pick up a little more. Ooh, see, that is a lot because I didn't tap off my brush. So tapping off my brush, let's stick with it, see what we get. Rinse my brush, pick some up, like that. That's a pretty big bud. Let's go in with some of that other color. Like that. I mean, and there you go. Let's create, I feel like I need to create a little leaf there. So that's about all I would do with that. All right. I hope you have fun. I hope you play lots. I'm always saying that. Play, play, play. Smush your brush, twist your brush, use it in all different ways, and see what is kind of fun for you and what comes out of it for you. All right. I will see you all soon. And remember, you are an artist. Thank you for being here.